Fiat 500 repair hack number 2, the gear gaiter clip. Okay, a common fault with the gear gaiter clip is that it breaks. It's attached with this bit of nylon with elastic, but to get a new one of these on, you normally have to take this knob off, and that can damage that, and it's a whole lengthy process because you want to get that off as well. So now you can get these gaiters on eBay for £6. It's got the elastic bit of fabric there. Just get a hacksaw, cut it so you can remove the bit of fabric. Then you should be able to just loop that over, slot this bit of fabric in that's attached to the gaiter, it looks like, and replace the whole of that without a lot of time. Okay, I'll just get some sturdy scissors on this, just to cut the plastic. Then we can remove that. Make sure nothing falls down into the actual gear mechanism. Okay, it requires a bit of force to get that out because they're in quite solidly. Just got to be careful that you distribute your force around. And we're just going to replace this clip, and we want to fix it, the elastic to that. So we're just removing the last of the clips, and then we're going to try and fit this over here under the gaiter bit, and then fit that through. So I've now fitted that, but I can safely say that it's not fixing in as it should do. It's fixed on this side, so it looks like in the process of the the rim being damaged, something in the fixing is damaged as well. However, what it's done is I've not had to remove this and go through that whole process just to discover that. Beware of cheap fiat gaiter replacements on eBay. That's probably the lesson learned.